Hey everyone! Michael Ryan from ProCam Rentals here to quickly go over the dimensions, weights, and ranges of the DJI Matrice M600 medium lifter drone. The dimensions of the drone are 65.67 inches in length, 59.76 inches in width, and a height of 29.88 inches. Flight times are anywhere between 11 to 15 minutes, depending on what type of maneuvering the drone's doing. This drone's empty weight is 12.2 pounds. It carries 6 1.3 pound batteries equaling 7.9 pounds, and it can carry a maximum payload of 13.2 pounds. And in performance and limitations, this drone can reach a cruise speed of 35 knots or 40 miles per hour in operating temperatures of 14 to 104 degrees. And it can reach a maximum range of 2 to 3 miles visual line of sight in winds up to 18 miles an hour or 16 knots. And lastly, the Ronin MX integrates with this drone to carry a medium camera package. Now, I've provided the direct link to this equipment on ProCam's website, where you can get further details and download a PDF of these technical specs for your file. While you're there, make sure to check out all the stabilized remote heads, telescopic cranes, mobile bases, drones, specialty equipment, and cinema accessories ProCam offers. Also, right on the homepage are two great PDF resources I recommend you download: ProCam's product catalog and the Tech Scout grid to help you quickly compare equipment specs on your Scouts. Hope this helps, and have a great production.